64. Well, how you doing?
What's going on, Boston Trucker?
How you doing? How do you know who I am?
Clifton Willie.
Ah,
Me and Clifton hauled produce a lot of years.
Oh yeah?
Yes, sir.
What's your handle?
Tennessee Outlaw.
You're the Tennessee Outlaw.
That's me, buddy.
You're famous.
Yeah, you think?
Oh my gosh. I met you at Matt's.
Yeah.
Oh, you're in my video. You probably don't even know it.
No.
That's cool. Is he coming up here?
No, I don't know. He was supposed to. I keep on track. I call him once in a while.
Yeah. You should call him.
Plus, I send him.
How long you had this truck?
25 years I've had the cab and the fenders. I found it in the barn. Started 8 years ago with 2 frame rails for my 359. I set the cab on a 359 chassis, all 359 harness, hood harness, engine harness.
Okay.
All the gauges are 359 harnesses.
How is it driving this thing? That's pretty high.
It drives good.
Is that higher than a Ford CL900?
Yeah.
Yeah, right?
Yeah, it drives good.
Is the cab on air ride?
No.
No, okay.
No, everything's back here is air ride. You want to work on it, you open the fenders on it.
Okay. Oh, look at that. Oh, that's so convenient.
Is
Nice.
In between trucking, 8-year project.
Really? Wow.
Yes, sir.
Labor of love, huh?
Yeah, my wife said, look, you need to go back to work. She said, I think you spent enough money.
I'm proud to see Peterbilt wheels on a corn binder, though.
Well, I had them brand new. It's sitting on a Peterbilt frame, so I was gonna put round holes in it, but you know, I haul shrubbery anymore, and we only trucked so many times, about 4 or 5 months, and I had the back ones, they were brand new. So I put them on it.
Hell yeah.
So, is it fun to drive?
Yes.
Is it?
Yes.
So, I don't know if I can find my.
You want to get in it?
Yes, I want to get in it, but I got a bad knee. I don't know that I can.
I got a bad knee. They've already operated on my left one, but you gotta put your left foot first.
Left foot first.
Right foot in here and your left foot back up on there.
Really?
Yes, sir. If you start out with your right foot, then you're going to get tangled up here.
All right, well,
Huh.
I'm gonna be a kid
Oh,
at the
yeah.
candy store if you don't mind.
Left foot,
Left foot.
then right foot in here.
Is somebody's gonna hold my fire?
Yeah, it'll hold you. In there, and then put your left
There
foot
you
up
go.
on there.
There you go.
And look, there's enough leg room in there. You got plenty of leg room.
Look at that.
This summit is comfortable.
It is. Yeah. Look, I built the truck. I got a 51 at home that was my daddy's. It's original.
Right.
I built this the way I wanted it because I've been trucking for 43 years, and I rode in all kinds of trucks, hauled all kinds of produce. The rubber fell out of the damn thing. That's why it's squeaking. I've had to fabricate everything, but I put this truck together the way I wanted.
Wow. Beautiful.
Got
So
a
how long
big
did it take?
flag.
Yeah,
So how long did it take to
8 years
8 years?
in between trucking.
Peterbilt gauges. Look at you.
Yeah, I put every. It's got 359 frame harness, engine harness, Peterbilt heat and air conditioning, everything. Where I had all them extra parts.
That's ingenuity.
You know,
Use what you got.
these guys were working son of a bitches in the day.
My daddy had one. I was born in '65. He had a '56. Look here, they were tough son bitches.
Yeah.
Yes.
Get his picture too.
You look good in there, man. I'm gonna get a picture of you. Yep, absolutely.
You do it this way.
You look badass, man.
Don't move. Don't move. Oh yeah.
I hauled one load with it with my spread axle utility reaper, and I just enough is enough.
All right, which one of you fat bastards gonna catch me now?
Come on, I'll catch you, buddy. Ain't no problem. I got to go uptown Bristol. I think they're gonna put it on the counter. I ain't sure.
Oh wow, that'll be great.
Yeah, I'm supposed to leave here and go to there.
Okay.
But I have no idea where I'm going. I thought I had to show you this. Hey, now you can say you're in it.
Yeah, I know.
Huh?
That thing is cool, man.
I would drive it.
I wouldn't drive that son of a bitch, but I don't like it.
I'll drive it. I'll drive it. Right there.
You need to see this registration in Georgia.
Chrome, steel, and sex appeal.
Work on the side of the motors. If you want to work on the top of the motor, you pull the seats out.
Oh.
The center floor unbolts.
Okay.
A lot of fabrication. But a lot of guys spend $300,000 in a truck lot. Spend $100,000 in chrome, $100,000 in interior. But me and my brother has done every bolt. Painting.
Well, I appreciate you bringing it. It's been a highlight.
Painting everything.
Yeah. Well, here comes your escort. You're good to go, right, guys?
Yeah.
All right.
I got to go uptown Bristol.
Okay.
Nice meeting y'all.
You too.
Y'all have a blessed weekend.
All right, you good to go. Thank you.
Thank y'all.
Congratulations, by the way.
Yes, sir.
Yeah. Oh, you made that look too easy.
Listen,